Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and welcome to a new month, which means a new series. So I figured since a lot of people are on keto and all these different types of low carb diets, that I would do a month featuring some low carb recipes. The first one I'm doing is something that is quite new. It's a cauliflower pesto gnocchi. Now, cauliflower gnocchi is something that I just picked up from Trader Joe's, but it's absolutely delicious if you make it right. That is key point, and can be really filling. So I figured why not go ahead and share the recipe with you guys. So if you guys love low carb options, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350, and then I have my cauliflower gnocchi in front of me. And what I'm going to do is take some spray. I'm just using a avocado spray, but you can use whatever, and just kind of spray the top of it. All right. And then pop this in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until you start seeing a nice golden color on top. All right, so now that the gnocchis are in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of the saute on my broccoli. So I have my pan, it's on medium. Just gonna add a very little amount of olive oil and then add in some garlic. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and now add in my broccoli. And then just cook this for a few minutes until you see a brighter green color on the broccoli. All right, it's been about a few minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some sun-dried tomatoes. I buy the ones that are not packed in oil just to kind of reduce the calories, make it a little bit healthier. These are just unsweetened, dried tomatoes. All right, I just pulled out the cauliflower gnocchi out of the oven. Look at that, it's nice and crisp. So that is perfect. So what I'm gonna do next is I have my broccoli that I made earlier. To that, I'm gonna add all of my cauliflower gnocchi and then top it off with a few other ingredients, and then we'll be done. It's very hot. Okay, so that looks good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of pesto sauce. Now this is store-bought pesto sauce. You guys can make your own, but just to be quicker, I'm just gonna use this. Then I have some salt, pepper, and a little bit of chili flakes that I'm gonna go ahead and add. And then I've got some basil, fresh basil leaves that I've chopped roughly up. And that is really it. Give it a good mix, and this is done. All right, that looks perfect. Everything is nicely mixed with that pesto sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and serve myself up a bite. Yum. And then you see that kind of crisp on the gnocchi. I went ahead and broiled it for about 5 minutes after, just to make it extra crispy because I like that. All right, a perfect bite of gnocchi, sun-dried tomatoes, and broccoli. That gnocchi is delicious, guys. Nice and crisp on the outside, but then it still has that chewy texture like a regular potato gnocchi. So that is good. If you guys go to Trader Joe's, highly recommend that you guys go ahead and pick one up, a bag or two up. All right, guys, this is absolutely delicious. You have to try it out. I swear, even if you don't like cauliflower, you're gonna like this. So if you guys love low carb recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.